Hello, everybody. Hi, friends. Happy Monday. Oh my gosh. I hope you are enjoying your 4th of July holiday weekend. I hope maybe you had today off, which is awesome. We are going to create an adorable, sweet Cherries kitchen towel. So today for our project, I have flattened out. We're just going to get right in. I am driving home from camping, so let me tell you, I've got this great kitchen towel. It's a nice linen, has a little hook, super cute, and it's striped. And I'm going to go ahead and show you, here we have our transfer that we've been using for the past 3 days. And I'm going to kind of center this word, sweet, down here at the bottom. I kind of counted off blue stripes, and so I know it looks, there we go. So I'm going to do a couple different things. First thing, we're going to use a candy apple red because it's a great color, right? Now, this is our club transfer. You need to be in my club in order to get it. It's exclusive and you cannot order it. The only way to get it is to join the club. If you want to type club in the comments, I'll send all the information your way if you're on Facebook, and I can send it to you Facebook Messenger. If you are not on Facebook, I won't be able to send you this, but I can send you a link. So what we're going to do is I am going to use this candy apple red ink because we're going to make this permanent, and I'm going to go over the word sweet. Okay, so, well, actually, we're going to do make it sweet, so I might as well do all of it at the same time. Make it sweet. How cute for a little kitchen towel that hangs from my range, the handle on my oven. It's gonna be adorable. Make it sweet, you guys. That would also be a really super cute kitchen sign, or on your apron or your hot pad. Super cute. Make it sweet. With our ink, we love when it seeps into the fabric. And so I do the first layer, and then I like to go back and do a second layer over to make sure we have lots of ink in all the right places. All right, so that's done. Make it sweet. Now, I'm going to get a smaller squeegee, and we're going to do our little cherries down here, okay? And I think I'm going to do green. This is meadow ink that I'm going to use. Move that club comment. I'm going to go ahead and grab some meadow ink. I'm going to ink up the leaves and the stems using meadow. There we go. Perfect. And then I'm going to grab some of this candy apple. We're going to do our cherries. Oh yeah. Get a little bit more. Perfect. All right, so we've got the candy apple done. I am going to do some more cherries. Let's see. trying to see if I want to. It's so freaking cute. I'm sorry. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's so freaking cute on the striped towel. And it always looks different when you are watching video, but this is awesome. I'll hold it up for you and you'll be able to see it. I'm just going to place, actually, I'm going to do these 2 cherries over here. I am not going to do all 4. I'm going to do 2, so bear with me. I've got there we go. Awesome sauce. Okay, the green is done. Now we just have to do the 2 little cherries. Every time I come over here to do cherries, I'm always like, they're so cute. And they are. They really, truly are. Cutie patootie cherries. Okay. I'm just kind of using the corner of this because I don't want to go off the edge. And I don't want to start a new cherry, and they're connected a little bit. So we're just doing these 2. I think it's good. I'm gonna take that out, pull it up. Ah, perfection. Okay, so I gotta clean this now. So let me quickly get all the ink off of here and set it out to dry. We will get this heat set, and I will show you up close and personal what it really looks like, because you are not able to see the awesomeness of this whole thing just quite yet. But it's so darn cute, I can't even stand it. All right, so I do have my heat press heating so that I can, oh, there he goes. It's like, Sarah, I'm ready. Okay, throw my ink over there so it doesn't get on anything while I'm trying to finish this project. And I did use an ink mat. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that. By the way, you only have 1 day to get those ink mats at the low price. It's one of the items we had to do a price adjustment on, and so the price is going to go up a little bit tomorrow. Yeah, so we're going to dry this. And while I'm drying it, I would like to invite you to check out the information that I have in my opportunity group, which is all about becoming a Chalk Couture designer. So if you think you could totally do this for your, your side gig, or just as a really awesome hobby, and maybe you want to learn how to earn your hobby stuff for free, I will teach you. We have 3 lanes in Chalk Couture. We have a hobbyist lane, we have a creator lane, and we've got the business builder lane. I've got you covered on all 3, and I will be there beside you every step of the way. So just type team in the comments and I will send you that link either on Facebook Messenger, if that's where you are right now, or I will reply to your comments on YouTube with the link. You gotta get it dry. Oh my gosh, I love it with the blue stripes. I just love it. It's almost dry. Okay. So our brand new catalog, you guys, is launching tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Now, with a launch, as with any launch that we do, we tend to like break records every single time. And so it will be slow. The internet, the website will be slow. That kind of happens sometimes when we have thousands of people on the website all at once. But 9 a.m. is when we launch. I would give it, 15, 20 minutes. Come on and check it out. Maybe 9:15, 9:20. For me in the East time zone, that is 11 a.m. So, okay. So this is dry. I just want to give you a sneak peek. I'm going to hold this up for you guys. Look how cute it is. You totally can see everything, but when you hold it down here, it's like, oh, it's not very vibrant. Yes, it is. It's super cute. So we need to heat this. In order to set this and make it permanent, you can do one of two things. You can use your heat press if you have one. If you do not have one, don't worry. You can use an iron right from home. So all you want to do is figure out the fabric you're using, set the heat on your iron or your heat press according to the fabric you're using, and then heat away. But before you heat away, I need you to grab some parchment paper, or if you don't have parchment paper, you certainly can use like a thin potato sack towel or a pillowcase, something just a little protectant in between as you're heating. It definitely is awesome. So you're going to do both sides, front and back. And usually that works really well. Just twice front and back. Sometimes if your ink is thicker, you may go over it a couple times. I'll show you how to check in just a second. As I move this to flip it over, I kind of like shake it a little. Yes, you guys, that is awesome. Put my parchment down again. And we will heat press it one more time on the back. It's so cute. I love when things come out. You never know with these striped towels, you're never sure if it will show up enough, but this, oh, it looks so good. I'm glad I used red. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's super cute. How adorable. You could make a matching set of really cute cherry things, and you could like give it as a housewarming with like a cherry pie or something, or cherry cobbler, or cherry anything. I love cherries. Okay, this looks amazing, and it's very smooth, which you did a good job when you can't tell where the ink is, right? When it's smooth on the fabric. So if I were to hang this, I am a trifold girl. Are you? I'm just curious. I am a trifold, so I definitely, when I hang this on I should just do it like this so that I can see what I'm doing. When I hang this on my hook or my rack, my bar, I guess you could call it, I do the trifold, and then I fold it in half. And so here is this cute towel. Make it sweet, you guys. I'm going to move that out of the way. I'm going to move this out of the way so you guys can see it for a second. And actually, I'm going to hold it up for you like it's on my arm. There you go. Make it sweet. How adorable is this? Cute? I love it. I think it's adorable. It's going to go in the perfect summery kitchen. The bowl full of cherries. Oh, I love it. And I love the thought of making some matching things with this. All right, you guys, that's my third project with this transfer, and the ideas keep coming. So I know if you love it as much as I do, and you are not yet one of our club members, hop in there. Just check it out. You got 3 months to enjoy it, make up your mind. Like, it's a 3-month commitment when you start. Every single month we have the cutest on-trend project kits. I love them. Okay, enough about that. I got to get ready for tomorrow. It's a big day. I cannot wait. Launch our brand new catalog. It's so adorable. All of the things, all of the new products. Oh, you guys, can't wait. All right, have a really great night. I will see you back here tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, P.S. Tomorrow is my birthday. Yay, so we'll have to celebrate all day long. All right, you guys, have a great night. I'll see you later.